Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving using Python. This is Rishikesh. So in this session, we are going to talk about the different types of loops. So loops are basically categorized in these four types. Here you can see we have pre-test loop, post-test loop, conditional control loop, and counter control loop. So these are the four categories. Okay, so let us see the difference between first two, that is pre-test and post-test loop. Here you can see that I have created two different tables showing the difference point by point. So first point in pre-test loop is that condition is specified at the beginning of the loop. So in pre-test, first condition is specified. If condition goes true, then the loop body is executed. But in post test loop, condition is specified at the bottom of the loop. So because condition is specified at the bottom of the loop, first, at least for a single iteration, loop body get executed. Then after, the condition is checked. Next point is, if the condition is false, then the loop does not get executed at all, because the condition is at the top in pre-test loop. But in post-test loop, I already told you that the condition is at the bottom, so at least a single iteration of loop body executes. Now the next point is there are n plus 1 number of tests, and here in post-test loops there are n number of tests, because here condition is at the beginning, so even after the last nth number of tests, we check the condition for one more time, and then that condition goes false, and then we terminate the loop. So tests are n plus 1, but here the condition is at the bottom, so the tests are n. Next one is minimum number of iterations can be 0, because the condition is at the top of the loop. If condition goes always false, then we are not going to execute any iteration, so number of iterations can be 0, but here the number of minimum iterations are 1. The loop is initialized only once, so in pre-test loop is initialized only once, and in post-test loop the loop gets initialized twice. Here are some different points between the difference between pre-test loop and post-test loop. Now let us see other two categories of loops. Those are conditional control loop and counter control loop. So let us see point by point how these are different from each other. So in condition control loop, this is used when we do not know for how many number of times loop should be executed. We don't know the number of iterations, then we use condition control loop. But in counter control loop, we know the number of iterations in advance, so we use this counter control loop. In condition control loop there is no counter used, and in counter control loop we use counter. Next point is, it is called indefinite loop, because we don't know how many iterations it is going to perform, so it is indefinite. But in counter control loop we know the number of iterations in advance, so it is definite loop. And the last point is, generally while loop is used for the implementation of this condition controlled loop. And in counter control loop we have the example of for loop. So here are some points of difference between condition control loop and counter control loop. So far we have seen these four different categories in which loops are categorized. I hope you understood them well. These are important in respect to choose the appropriate loop for appropriate function. So this is for today's session. I hope you understood well. Thank you.